In this video, I'll show you 3 methods to dismantle a wooden barrel ready for making things out of the staves and hoops. I've got a reclaimed oak whiskey barrel here, but the process is going to be the same for most barrels. The first method is using a hammer and bolster to remove the hoops. When assembled, the hoops are knocked down into place to make a tight fit around the barrel, so you can basically do this in reverse. Often the wood's swelled since then, so it can be difficult to get these going, but with a bit of patience though, you should be able to knock them off. The second method is to use an angle grinder to cut off the hoops. This is quick and easy, but you can't use the hoops in any projects where they need to be intact. The hoops are under pressure, so they will pop off when you cut them. You can see that I quickly pull the angle grinder away as soon as it goes to avoid potentially catching the grinder. Even when you're ready for this, it still feels a little bit sketchy. The third method is to break the rivets that hold the hoops together. You can use an angle grinder again for this, or like I'm doing here, using a bolster. This is a fairly quick and easy method, and it doesn't involve the grinder, so it doesn't feel quite as risky. When the final hoop is removed, the barrel will collapse, and then this is what you're left with. Most likely you're going to have 6 hoops and multiple size staves. You can see here that I've got 31 staves of various sizes. I believe the different sizes have different names, but I don't actually know what they are. All of these are then ready for making various projects. I've got a few different projects planned with these, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss them.